Welcome to the world of machine learning in 2026 and beyond. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a touch of experience, this video will guide you to get started on this thrilling journey. So let's dive in. First, let's decode what machine learning really is. Imagine teaching a computer to learn from data and make decisions or predictions without being explicitly programmed. It's the cornerstone of artificial intelligence and holds endless potential for shaping the future. Begin your journey by understanding the fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with key concepts like algorithms, datasets, models, and neural networks. There are numerous online courses available, both free and paid, to help you build a solid foundation. Python is a must-have tool in your machine learning toolkit. Its simplicity and vast libraries make it the preferred language among data scientists. Spend some time mastering Python, focusing on libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib for data manipulation and visualization. Once you're comfortable with the basics, explore more advanced concepts. Deep learning, a subfield of machine learning, involves neural networks with many layers. Platforms like TensorFlow and PyTorch have become crucial for building deep learning models. Don't forget the significance of applying your knowledge. Real-world projects are invaluable. Datasets are everywhere, from Kaggle competitions to government open data portals. Working with real data helps solidify your skills and provides a glimpse into industry challenges. Another crucial element is the community. Join forums, attend meetups, and connect with other ML enthusiasts. Platforms like GitHub and LinkedIn are valuable for seeking advice and sharing your projects. In 2026, the landscape of machine learning is evolving rapidly. Stay updated with the latest trends and innovations by following blogs, podcasts, and research papers. Continuous learning is key to staying ahead in this fast-paced field. Finally, never underestimate the power of persistence. Machine learning is complex and can be daunting at times, but with dedication and consistent effort, you'll discover its potential. That's your roadmap to getting started with machine learning in 2026 and beyond. Embrace the challenge, keep learning, and apply your knowledge. The future of technology is in your hands.